Guys, we are so tired of y'all having horrible setups. There's no more excuses because we're gonna show you how you can fix it.
For only $100 on Amazon, we bought a desk, we bought a chair, we bought some cable management options, and yeah, no more excuses for you guys. We're gonna make your setup right for only $100 after a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Microcenter, one of the best places to shop for tech. Microcenter is one of our favorite places to shop for PC hardware, and this September they're taking it even further with their clearance savings event. You're able to get an additional 10% off open box yellow tag products. And as always, you can shop Microcenter's top deals page to find even more deals. One of our favorites is this AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, Asus B650M, and 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM bundle for just $300. Plus, Microcenter Miami is officially open. If you're in the Miami area, you should check out their newest location and make your trip. With over 25,000 items in stock and the best customer service around, don't miss out on the opportunity to discover tech heaven for yourself. And if you're on the West Coast and feeling a little bit jealous, Microcenter is opening another new store in Santa Clara. Sign up for early access and receive a free 120 gig flash drive when the store opens. If you're interested in learning more, check out the links in the description down below or head over to microcenter.com. Big thanks to Microcenter for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get back to it.
Just put a disclaimer out there, $100 spent in total for a desk, a chair, and cable management. That is really cheap. Now, is this stuff gonna be good? That's for us to decide today. We're gonna build all this to see if it makes sense, see if the chair will hold us, see if the desk has enough room for stuff, and then we'll just grab like a PC from PC Bros, put a little setup together and show you guys what it can do. But let's go over the pricing real quick of everything, which, what do we start with? Let's start with the desk. The vintage desk. So the vintage desk, let's see, on Amazon here, this is what inspired this video. Shout out to McAllister, by the way. He was looking on Amazon for, I think, his setup, and he mentioned that he found some desks that were really, really cheap. This is a 39-inch desk. It's $25. So this is a $25 desk, which it's a small desk. It's not gonna be great. But when we're talking about the people we've seen on our setup review that are like, what, using folding tables, they're using really ridiculous setups, sometimes not even using desks at all, just putting their stuff on like a corner of their house or whatever. There's a lot of different things that I've seen, but this right here for under $30 may be a decent option. The funny thing is the chair is actually more expensive. This was $35 for the chair, which is from the same brand actually, I think. If you look at the...
it does look like a really similar...
Does it say it on this side?
It is.
Yeah, okay, so they're both from Payless here, not a sponsor. We have a mesh back chair, which is probably very similar to ones we've gotten from Walmart before, but at $34, hopefully it's super easy to put together, and shout out Vietnam. They're both made in Vietnam.
This is definitely a good example of just passing the middleman, because I guarantee you the stuff from Walmart is the same stuff they're paying double the cost for.
If you want to show the people what this is right here, obviously we're not just going to give you a desk and a chair. We want you to make the setup look a little bit clean, like we roast you during our setup reviews. This right here is a cable organizer that we bought on Amazon that is actually very affordable, $15.99 for this little cable organizer, and the best part is it goes under the desk and it doesn't use screws into your desk, which does it give you the option to, or is it just kind of...
I'm sure that you could. They don't include any wood screws, so you would have to get your own, but I never would have even thought of this. Zach from PC Bros just did a video where he used one of these, and basically, this is all you're gonna see. It's just this on the top, and honestly, you can find ways to hide it, but it's a pretty cool concept.
Yeah, and I saw it also comes with one of these little guys for your phone charger cables, so you can stick one of those to the top. Very basic cable management stuff right here. And then right here we have a Mufaso power strip, which should have enough power for a basic setup, but this one comes in at $19.99 because it comes with USB. Because I feel like some people would want to like have a USB to their phone to charge nowadays, and it is one of the staple braided cables, which
This is another thing, man, that is slept on. I advocate for this kind of stuff so hard because of this reason. Every time you get a monitor and a lot of other things, they have big power bricks, and the problem is if you have a standard strip, that monitor takes up like half the strip. So this is really cool.
Yeah, so this will go inside our little tray here, and all together, again, right at $100, we should have a great starter for a budget gaming setup, but we gotta build this stuff. That's the best part about this. It is approaching 2 o'clock today, and if you guys know the Toasty Bros, 2:30 is when things get a little weird around here. But we're gonna go ahead and build the chair, build the desk, and hopefully have a decent setup that we can game on.
Let's try to be quick with it.
All right, so we're gonna get to building. I'm gonna do the desk, Jasper's gonna do the chair. We're just gonna get started and kind of go over everything that's in the box. We have this nice reorganized setup that Jonah did, which if you guys are interested in behind the scenes stuff, go to Toasty DIY. There's gonna be a video on these new shelves that we got, but now we have more floor space to do stuff like this. So we're gonna go ahead and open all this up, see what's inside, and hopefully it's not gonna be as hard as that Walmart desk. Jonah and I had a
that was a
doozy
two-day
with that Walmart desk.
That was a 2-day project.
That was a lot.
Now, Jonah, there's no bonded leather on this chair, so nothing for you to eat, little guy. My knees are already hurting, Matt.
Yeah, if
You're too old
if
for
you're
this
young, you know, this is easy.
Flip it over. Ah. Oh, shoot. All right.
Sir, where is your back?
It's time to put the back on, so I think that's just gonna go like this. Yeah. I don't know why Chad always says Jonah has the lowest IQ in the office. Lowest? It's not golf, Jonah.
One done. Boom.
Boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom. Boom.
All right, guys, so we have our desk ready. Not too bad. The chair is put together. Let's go ahead and flip this up.
It's so small.
I expected everything to be very miniature, so if you are a large human being, this might not be an ideal setup, but this is what we're currently working with so far. Now we gotta add the cable management and the power options here, which we started putting together over here. It's very simple. You just take these little clamp pieces, add these screws with these little caps over them, like so. Do it on both sides, put it on the desk, screw up, boom, you're good to go. Boom is the theme of this video. This is what I like. This is what I like, because when you think of somebody who wants to save money also, they probably don't want to put a lot of effort into putting their setup together.
Right.
So this is nice, this is easy.
All right, the biggest PC possible to put on this. Let's just see what happens.
Okay.
$100 setup.
So probably this side.
PC.
Put that all the way towards the back edge.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's like trying to fall. Yeah, this is good though.
It needs a little, this needs a little bit of weight on it. We're getting there.
We're maxing this thing out, John, okay?
It's called min-maxing. Mm-hmm. The first thing I think of is like, would I be able to sit here and game on this for our 6-hour live stream we do every single month where we give away a gaming piece over on twitch.tv/SociBros? I probably could. Let's take a B-roll after we test it like this. I'll show you guys some other scenarios you could use this desk for. This one is for testing min-max is what he's, look at that cable.
Yeah, this thing's max.
This is something we would roast somebody for. Why is your cable so stretched?
Well, normally you know this is gonna be against a wall, not in the middle of their...
Yeah, exactly. So this is worst case scenario. You would only see that going down to probably your power that is right here. McAllister, put a power outlet right there.
$100 though, I mean, that's less than a monitor.
This is not the worst thing in the world.
We just need a different keyboard, you know, and then it's gonna look pretty good. All right, guys, we're in the war zone now. I'm gonna show Jonah how to proper war zone.
So how's the desk feel?
Oh, the desk is totally acceptable. I mean, you honestly can't even really feel like that it's flimsier, you know? Me missing all my shots.
Duos. Give it a rage. A little rage real quick.
Son of a gun. Oh, God.
Whoa.
Yeah, let's not do too much of that. So definitely don't rage in this desk. It's just small, you know? I mean, the legs aren't super thick or anything, so it kind of just is what you pay for, which, no, actually, this is more than what you pay for. It's pretty good for 25 bucks.
Yeah, I think for the price, $100 all in, it's better than I expected. I was thinking it's going to be like unusable, wobbly the entire time, but I like it so far. I can't wait to game on it.
I could sit in this for the 6-hour live stream.
That's the benchmark we need. Like, could you sit for 6 hours and play?
That's how we need to start doing these.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Ooh,
are we
yes.
really testing it?
I feel like you need at least a kill in this setup, you know?
Yeah. I think I killed like one person. Hey, be careful leaning on that thing. What?
Oh,
holy
who just
crap.
shot a missile at you?
Dude, I just got like direct impacted by a missile. Oh. Oh! Holy crap. Oh my good golly, Diddy! It's Diddy, man! Missile strike incoming.
Yes!
Did it again, baby. That was, honestly though, it was fine. I could play on this all day.
All right, guys, I'm in Fortnite. Well, I'm almost in Fortnite. He is gonna go home and lose. All right, so Fortnite on this setup, it honestly feels right to be playing this game on this setup because I feel like your average viewer would be using this $100 setup to play Fortnite. And yeah, we're gonna drop and yeah, desk feels decent. I will say it's a little bit less deep than I would like, but again, I'm like nitpicking here. $100 for this whole setup. It's nice having no cables, you know, really clean. Again, if it's up against a wall, it would look really nice. What am I missing here? The chair feels good. Feels pretty firm.
It's definitely this is a great little starter setup. Like, don't start on a folding table just to, you know, save 20 bucks, guys. It's a $25 table. Just buy it.
Baby's first table. And the next thing you know, you're giving it to your great grandkids.
It's kind of it's an ancestral thing.
I need 1 kill. That is my goal.
Nice. Blood just tried to pull Crouching Tiger on you.
Well, I'm gonna say $100 setup. I mean, again, it doesn't include this. It's really just to finally get your gaming PC that you built and you saved up all your money for off the dang ground. you're gonna really have a decent experience, I will say, for 100 bucks. Use those Amazon affiliate links down below, it does help us out. But yeah, shout out to Amazon for hooking us up with a $100 setup to upgrade your setup. How many times can I say setup? Let's go ahead and wrap this video up real quick, guys. All right, guys, before we wrap this video up, I wanted to give you guys a more practical example of what this setup would look like. Obviously, no one's using a 4080 Super PC with a $100 desk besides the Toasty Bros. That's the goofy stuff we like to do here on the channel. But I want to put something together, as you can see right here, that looks a bit more practical. Now, I did change out the Paint keyboard for a normal keyboard, a normal 60% keyboard that a lot of gamers would use. I think there's still plenty of space for you to be able to game with. Same mouse, same monitor, but we included a more, well, modest gaming PC that you can actually buy from PC Bros that is more compact. Micro ATX versus a full tower would definitely make a whole lot of sense. And if you're, well, using a $100 desk, chair, and cable management combo, I would imagine you're gonna rock a budget PC. Or if you have a nice PC, please, at the very least, get something like this. You could even buy the slightly bigger desk and maybe spend $150. But all in all, for just 100 bucks, I think you're getting a lot of value here to make a really awesome setup. Is it the best desk in the world? No. Is it the best chair in the world? No. But it's at least functional and will get you on the right track to have a better setup in the long run. But yeah, this looks really good in my opinion, and it performed very well in our testing. So now we finished building the setup, well, most of the setup, the actual functional portion of the setup for 100 bucks. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up real quick.
Alright guys, we just got done gaming on a full setup. Now obviously this does not include the monitor, PC, keyboard, mouse. That really wasn't the point of this. It's more of the parts that we normally don't include when we do our gaming setups, and you guys also don't like to include.
Yeah, for 100 bucks, I think it gives no excuses anymore to people who have a pretty nice setup already in terms of their gaming PC and peripherals, but are still using a folding table or worse. There's a lot of worse options out there we've seen with our setup review series, but if you want to buy this desk setup yourself, check the link in the description down below. We'll be an affiliate link and will help us out. If you do buy this desk and chair, maybe buy a PC from PCBros.tech and use code ToastyBros to save 3% to make the perfect budget gaming setup overall. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments down below. Is there any other price ranges you want to see for desk setups? Also let us know down below.
I'd like to know, would you guys ever like to see a full setup where it is literally every piece? Let us know down below. So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
So this setup right here, likely the full setup and the PC already, will be for sale at PCBros.tech, and you can save some money, guys.
PCBros.tech, we sell gaming PCs and stuff we feature here on the YouTube channel, along with some other ones that are ready to ship on the website. Use code ToastyBros on checkout. You'll save 3% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.